girl, so jumping right into the tutorial, my eyes are primed and I do have my brows on. You could check the description box below for everything that I use. I'm using the Nubian 3 Coral palette by Juvia's Place, and I'm taking that peachy look color and I'm putting it all up in my crease and blending it out, and I'm really going to build up that color. And throughout the video I am dancing and singing and having fun because it was just the whole vibe that day. Now I'm taking this color right here and I'm going to throw that on top of that peachy color, and I'm really going to darken this color up. Alright, now taking this metallic peach shade, I'm going to put that on the inner third of my eye, about that much, and I'm really going to build it up, but later I'm going to go back in with a setting spray to make it very metallic looking. So right now I'm just putting on the inner third and leaving the rest of my lid blank. Now I'm going to go back into the palette and taking this rosy metallic color, and I'm going to put that on the rest of my lid. Alright, now to get those metallic colors to pop, I'm going to spray my brush with the Dewy Finish Spray. I do have the eyeshadow on my brush already, and I'm going to go ahead and go right on top of it, and you're going to see how those colors just pop right out. And now I'm going to do it the same exact thing with that color that I use on the inner third of my eye. Go ahead and spray my brush again. You guys are going to see it like magic right now. Do you see the difference that it makes? Like, using them wet is fantastic. Alright, now going back into the palette, I'm going to take this rusty looking brown color right here, and I'm going to put that on the outer third of my eye, starting off right here, like patting it to get most of the product off in that area, and then starting to blend it out, because I really want that outer corner to be dark, and then you blend out everything. So I'm going to start blending it into my crease, but I'm really going to build up that outer corner of my eye. And once I get it as intense as I really want it to be, I'm going to take that big blending brush from before and just blend out all my edges. Now going back into the palette, I'm going to take this color again right here, and I'm going to put that on my lower lash line. Okay, so now I'm going back into that rusty brown color, and I'm going to put that on top of that color I just laid down on my bottom lash line, and I'm really going to darken it up because I want the look to look very intense and sultry. Now I'm going to take this Maybelline Lasting Drama black pencil, which is amazing. I cannot stop using it, so I threw my Rimmel Scandal Eyes pencil to the side because I'm obsessed with this one. How dark it is and the staying power of it is crazy. Now I'm just going to blend that out and kind of drag it down just a little bit, and then I'm going to go back into that palette and put the brown shade on top, just blending it out. Alright, taking my NYX matte liquid eyeliner, I'm just going to go ahead and start lining up my eyes, kind of going for an intense cat eye look, and following my darkness from the bottom. I'm just going to create that wing. I don't know if you guys could see what I just did, but I kind of took the black from the bottom eyeliner pencil and just created a line going upwards so I'll kind of connect. Alright, I wanted my bottom lash line to be a little more intense with the black, so I went in with my NYX Hot Black eyeshadow, and I'm just putting that over the top of that brown I originally laid down. So So I'm going to go right over. I did put this on top of the pencil in the waterline as well to set it. And I'm just going to drag it out towards the wings. They really give me that cat eye. Now I'm going to go back in with the brown color to blend out the black. Alright, taking this palette, it's the I Heart Matte palette from Wet n Wild. I believe it's discontinued now, so I'm sorry about that, but I took the nude shade and I'm just basically blending out the colors right below my brow, and then I'm going to take that big blending brush and just blend everything together. I just didn't want that darkness to be up too high towards my brow. Now I'm going to take these lashes right here. I don't remember the brand, so I do apologize, but I'm going to go ahead and pop those on. I did use the Black Tone Duo Glue, and I'm just going to fill in my tattoo mold. Now moving on to the face, I'm taking my MAC Prep and Prime Natural Radiance primer. This is the yellow one, I believe. So I'm just going to go ahead and put that on, and then I'm going to take my Milani Prime Light, is it a primer? I believe it's a primer. And I'm going to put that on my highest points of my cheekbones and blend that out with a blender. Alright, so I'm going to take my MAC Face and Body Foundation because I didn't want my foundation to be too heavy. When I filmed this video, it was mid-July, so this video is going out very late. I do apologize about that. So I'm just putting it on with my Real Techniques Beauty Sponge and blending it out. And then I'm going to move on to the concealer. This is the Naked Skin Urban Decay Concealer. I forgot the shade, but I'm going to put it down below. So I'm going to go ahead and just highlight all the areas that I usually do. And then blend that out as well. To set all of that concealer, I'm going to use my RCMA translucent powder, which is amazing. I love the finish it gives me. So I'm going to put it everywhere in the middle of my face, and then I'm going to set the rest of my face with my Rimmel Stay Matte translucent powder, and here I am jamming. To bronze up my face or contour, I'm going to use my Ruby Kisses 3D Contour Artist Palette. I picked this up from the beauty supply store, to be honest with you. So I'm just going to go ahead and bronze up my face and contour with it. I'm also going to use it to contour my nose as well. And then I'm going to set the sides of my nose with that RCMA palette once again and let it set for 5 minutes. While that's setting, I'm going to jump back into my eyes. So I'm going to go ahead and take that lighter brown color I used before, and I'm going to put that under my eyes just because I felt like some of the powder took away my eyeshadow that was down there. So I'm going to go ahead and put that first, and then I'm going to use the darker brown shade once again. That's just like going to smoke everything out. Alright, now that I'm done baking with the powder, I'm just going to go ahead and dust all of that away. And then I'm going to move on to adding the color back to my face, starting with the blush. So my blush I chose is the LA Colors Spiced Rum Blush. I'm going to go ahead and apply that to my cheeks. After that, I'm going to go ahead and apply my mascara, which is the Maybelline Total Temptations mascara. And I'm really feeling that. So if you want to try a new mascara that's not expensive, go ahead and give that one a shot. Alright, for my highlighter, I'm going to use my Juvia's Place, I believe it's like the Tribe 3 highlighter. Again, the products will be listed down below. I'm going to go ahead and put that on my cheekbones, around my eyebrow, in the middle of my forehead, my nose, my chin, my lips, everywhere. Just throw your face in the highlighter. That's what I do. Alright, to set all of this wonderful magicalness, I'm going to go ahead and use the Urban Decay De-Slick setting spray. It is a oil control setting spray, so even though I rarely get that oily nowadays because my skin has changed, it does help with my T-zone area and my nose. So I felt like after I was done with my makeup, my eyes kind of washed out my eyebrows, so I went back in with my Ebony Dip Brow Pomade by Anastasia. And I'm just darkening up my eyebrows, and I put on my eyebrows like hair-like strokes. That's why you see me doing little tiny strokes like that. And then I'm going to move on to my lips. I'm taking this Boutique nude pencil. I do not remember where this was purchased from. You know what, to be honest with you, I think my mom might have given me this. I'm not sure. But I'm just going to put that on. And then I'm going to put on my Wet n Wild Mega Last liquid lipstick in the color Rebel Rose, I think. Yeah, so I had already put it on and I forgot to film, so I'm just gonna go ahead and apply another layer, and then the look is complete. I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial. If you did, please like, comment, and if you haven't, please subscribe. As always, thank you for watching my video.